Contact persons are individuals that act on behalf of your business partners. Contact persons could be accounts, individual accounts, or contact persons. In principle, they could also be both. It's also possible that one contact person belongs to several accounts. Contact person directory is a base that assembles the entire number of the contacts in the system that is later widely used in other accounting documents. In this video, we will show you how to create a contact person. In the general area, you enter the title of the contact person, name, the company of employment, additional description, etc. In the Contacts tab, you add information about the person's email, phone, and Skype. Note: turn on the inactive option if you want to deactivate a previously active contact person. If a contact person is inactive, it will not be available for selection or use and will be accessible only on the listings page of the contact person directory. By default, this option is turned off and all newly created contact persons are active. You can select active contact persons from the lists for the contact person field in various documents and directories. Click Save once you are done.